Hi guys, in this video I am going to do the unboxing of Yotto professional microphone set with the kit. So it's not only be a microphone, it's the microphone with the whole kit. So I just received it an hour ago, so I'm just gonna do a unboxing and I'm gonna see what are the things included in and what are the specification for this mic. So the first thing which I can see is like it is compatible with Mac and Windows, so you can use it for PC and your laptop. And the another thing is like you can just plug and play USB connection. It's mentioned like it's 12 months warranty and 30 days money back warranty as well. Okay, what are the things included in the package? The first thing is USB condenser microphone and then microphone stand. Okay, and then microphone clip, so it could be like this one, and then pop filter, and then windscreen, audio cable, and a user guide. Okay, I just opened the box and the first thing is which is the pop filter, and then there is a foam filter as well, and there is a user guide, and let's see in what language it is. So it's in English and this is Japanese. Okay, foam filter, and this is the pop filter. Okay, after that I'm just gonna remove this side, and then we can see this is the stand for the microphone, and this is the cable which is from USB A to USB B. Okay, and then there is another thing like which is the holder for the microphone, and then this is the clip. This is a clip. It's made of metal, so it looks really strong, but let's see, we will try it and we will check it. And then let's check the arm. I was not expecting that it could be made of metal, but yeah, it's made of metal and it looks pretty strong, I would say. And there are two things on the one side, the silver side, we can just hold the microphone, I guess, and another side we can use this to mount into the table arm or wherever you want to mount it. And then the most important thing, this is the microphone, so let's open it. It looks pretty heavy. Okay, this is also made of metal and the brand name is here, and yes, under the bottom of the microphone you can see there is a USB connection A spot, so you can just connect it, and it's pretty heavy than my expectation. It seems really premium to me, to be honest, and in this price I was not expecting such kind of quality. So let's connect it and let's see the audio quality and the noise cancellation and everything. So see you after a break. Okay, before moving on, there was a problem which I faced during the installation the kit. So like the distance between this clamp is 2.2 inches. So one of my table where I really want to install this professional kit, so the side of the table was thicker, like it was around 3.5 inches. So I was unable to fix this holder there. So you need to keep in mind before buying you should have a table who have a side where you want to fix. It should be under 2.2 inches, so in that way you can just fix this holder. Okay, so finally I just fixed the whole kit here, and I just want to show you like if you want to move it up and down, so it is really strong grip, and there is no chance like the microphone is gonna fall down or somehow, although the microphone have a pretty heavy weight, but still it has a really good grip. Okay, so before going to the audio quality test, I would like to highlight the prices. So right now at 27th of November 2022, you can find it on US Amazon in $75, and on UK Amazon it's 35 pounds, and on EU Amazon it is available on 48 euros. If you want to see the product page, so I already mentioned the product link in the description of this video, so you can just visit. Okay, and then let's go to the quality test. So what I'm gonna do is right now I am gonna use first the mic with only foam filters. Okay, so this is the voice when I am using only mic with the foam filter, so I don't have any pop filter. So this is the first test. mic with only foam filter. So I don't know what kind of voice you can hear, so maybe you can differentiate. And this is the second option. Right now I am using mic with only pop filter, so there is no foam filter on the mic. I am using only pop filter. So you can, if there is any difference, then please let me know in the comments. Okay, and this is the third try when I have a foam filter and pop filter on my mic. So both filters are applicable at this moment, like the foam filter is on the mic and pop filter is also front of my mouth. So maybe there is some difference, so you can just let me know what is the difference in the comments. So if you can feel a difference between different filters, so please let me know in the comments. And this was all, and this is my first professional mic and this was my first video. So I hope you appreciate my effort, and if you like the video, then you can just press the like button, and if you did not subscribe my channel, then you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.